We have created a couple of triggers so far, but unfortunately in MySQL Workbench, there is no way to visually see the triggers we have created. Here we can only see the tables, views, store procedures, and functions. But don't worry, we can use the show triggers statement to view all triggers in the current database. Take a look. So here we can see various attributes about each trigger. We can see the trigger name, the event, which can be insert, update, or delete, the table. Here's the code for the trigger. And we also have the timing, which can be before or after, as well as the creation date time for each trigger. Here we can also filter the result. For example, if we only want to see the triggers associated with the payments table, we can use the like operator like this, like payments %. So this will return triggers that have a name with this pattern. So if you follow the convention that I told you about earlier, with this technique, you can easily find the triggers associated with a given table. Here's the convention for your reference. First, we add the table name, then before or after, and finally the type of the SQL statement, which can be insert, update, or delete.